Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable BitLocker on Windows 11 PC. Nowadays, more and more computers come with trusted platform module that is known as TPM, which is a tiny chip required for turning on BitLocker disk encryption. No matter if you prefer to enable BitLocker or not, Windows 11 may automatically activate it during the fresh installation. In this video, I will show you two methods to enable or disable BitLocker on Windows 11. First one method is through Windows 11 settings and the next one method is through registry editor. I will guide you with the both these two methods. So let me begin with this one first method. Click on this one a start button and then click settings. In the Windows 11 settings, click on privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right under security, you will find device encryption. Click on this one tile. Here you will find a toggle switch that says device encryption. Encrypt data on this device to help protect from offline unauthorized access. Just turn on or turn off this one toggle switch to enable or disable device encryption on your Windows 11 PC. For the next method, you need to go through registry editor. For that, click on this one start button and then here type regedit. In the search results, click on this one registry editor entry. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. In the registry editor window, all you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to BitLocker key in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find a reservoir that is known as prevent device encryption. In case it is not available on your PC, right click on the free space on the right side and select here new and then this one divert 32-bit value option and name it prevent drive encryption. After that, double click on this one prevent device encryption reservoir and here you need to set value data 0 to enable BitLocker on your Windows 11 PC, and in case you want to disable this one BitLocker, set this one value data to 1 and then click on this one OK button. Then close the registry editor and restart your PC once to apply the changes. That's all about this video. Bye.